Alright guys, welcome back to ASR, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to manage a loss. And yes, I did lose today, I'm not gonna lie about that. First of all, if you guys are going over any recap, you just want to mark out market open so you guys don't get confused or you don't confuse yourself. Alright, so coming into market open, we had this SMT of the lows, and we had just ADP employment change, which was good for price action because actual was less than forecast, so that's going to be good for price action. Now NASDAQ was trending lower than ES, which gives us the indicator that yes, we should be trading on ES if we think price is going to be bullish. After that, we're going to look for some confirmation confluences. We have a sweep of these lows right here. Boom, this is where we got our SMT from. It's gonna be these lows to these lows right there. After that, you can go into the 1 minute, and then we had an inverse of a 5 minute. We inverse this 5 minute thingy right here for value gap, and then I marked out this for value gap right here, marked out this for value gap, and then I also marked out this order block right here, marked out this order block. Price came down into this order block, we had an up candle out of it, and then I longed right here. Now this wouldn't have been a bad trade if I would have known what I know now. This is why losses genuinely are good for you guys, because if you don't take a loss, you don't know what you need to improve on. I needed to improve on my knowledge in this case. So if you guys didn't know, ISM Services, this comes out, it came out at 9, and you can see what it did to the market. Straight down candles in the market, had to retrace down candles in the market. So this came out better than forecast, so this is going to mean this is bad for price action, while ADP was good for price action. Now you might be asking, if one's good, one's bad, what do you do? If the better one, like the more stronger news is coming out after the weaker news, you're generally gonna want to either try and find a trade before that news comes out, and when it does come out, if it's good for price action, if it's good for the where you want price to go, then don't come out. But if it's bad and it conflicts with your bias, then you should come out, like I should have done in this case. Now it came out on 9. Boom, it came out on this candle right here. So wait, no, it came out like right, because my market's delayed. It came out, boom, actually it came out a little bit before that, but it came out on this candle right here. And then I probably should have came out when it was up here. I probably should have took profit, at least one profit right here, because that's just something I probably should have done. But overall, the teaching to you guys is gonna be just knowing knowing your news events. In this case, I did not. ADP is by the way, ADP is just speculation. It's not an actual government issued like statistic. The ADP, it's its own company or whatever. It's just a prediction for what unemployment claims is going to be. And ISM Services is actual real government data about like businesses hiring and all that type of stuff. So this one was obviously going to be stronger, and if this one was stronger and it conflicted with this one, then you're going to want to favor this one more than this one. So I should have came out right there. And that brings you back to one of the things I want to talk about is just just knowing what news is due. In this case, I knew that ISM Services was going to be more impactful, but I just stuck to my bias. This is why you guys don't want to mirror your bias ever.